Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to get cookies from a URL and we're going to store those cookies in this list here and print them out. So first of all, create yourself a variable called path and then create the path to your desktop. This here is the desktop path to my desktop. Yours will be slightly different from this, and remember I'm using Windows. Then we need to import this module here, OS, which comes as default on the system. Then we use os.chdr path, which is the path above. So we change into that directory. Then we create a list called stored cookies and we assign it to this here. So that's empty at the moment. So we're going to store the cookies in there. Then we create a function called get cookies. Okay, then what we do is we create URL here, which is a variable. We assign it to input to get user input. We ask the user to enter a URL. And then we import this module here called requests. So you import it through pip. So it's pip install requests. So you need to import that first. Create a variable called response. And we assign that to requests dot get URL. Okay. And then we print a message to the user, print saving cookies, and we use the time module that we've going to import here. Import time, this is the time module, and we pause it. Time dot sleep. I'm going to pause it for 1 second to make it look like it's working. Then we're going to use a for loop for cookie in response dot cookies. Then we're going to actually, we're not going to print the cookies out, we're going to store them in that list. So we say stored cookies dot append cookie. So we store the cookies in that list above, and then we do another time dot sleep, pause it for 1 second, and then we print stored cookies, which is the list above. So we should store all the cookies from the site in that list and then print it out so that we can see it. All we do now is call the program get cookies, save it, open it, and we're going to run it. I'm going to type in a URL. Hit enter, saving cookies. And there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Those are all the cookies. Hope you enjoyed that, and remember, make sure you hit that subscribe button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.